And go. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jakob from the University of Exeter Politics Department, where we research the climate change discussion with machine learning tools. And how does it work? So we recently had the pleasure to experience democracy from first hand when the UK public voted to leave the EU. And that's something the public decides, and the public also decides upon something important stuff like climate change action, which by the experts has decided that 90% of climate change scientists agree that there is human-made climate change, whereas the public, for example in the US, doesn't think like that. And that's a problem, you could say, but we just want to understand why that is. So if you're looking at the information transition, and there are conservative think tanks which drive the discussion, and they are funded by corporate America or the industry and stuff, and they put a spin on it and they create turmoil in the discussion, which leads to the result you see here. So we want to analyze that, and people have been doing this by hand, reading articles 200, 300, but that's where your budget stops because human capacity is limited. But computer capacity is not limited that much. So we've been reading into 16,000 articles with LDA, latent declared allocation. And with that, we were able to create a topic model, which helps us to analyze and also confirm observations we had before. For example, that when the conservative think tanks accuse scientists of being not integer, they usually do that by saying, the scientists bring in their own political convictions. And then we also took a look at Heartland, which is the biggest one, and you can see the result later at the poster. Thanks.